Doston, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a revolution that's reshaping our world at lightning speed. Technology is evolving faster than ever, and at the center of this storm is Fractal Industries Limited. Fractal isn't just another tech company. They're pioneers in generative AI and hyper-realistic visuals. Imagine artists who use code and data to create digital experiences nearly indistinguishable from reality. Their mission? To blur the lines between physical and digital, seamlessly integrating technology into our lives. Why does this matter? Because Fractal's innovations are set to transform everything, from healthcare and education to entertainment. This isn't about cool gadgets. It's about fundamentally upgrading the human experience. We'll break down how Fractal's tech is solving real-world problems and building a smarter, more connected world. Get ready for a deep dive into generative AI, hyper-realistic visuals, and their impact across industries. This is more than a tech talk. It's a glimpse into our future. Grab your chai, get comfortable, and let's begin this journey. The future is here, and it's absolutely fascinating. Let's start with generative AI, the creative engine behind Fractal's magic. Generative AI means computers that don't just follow instructions. They create new things: poems, music, images, even code. Imagine an artist who's seen every painting, now asked to paint something entirely new. Generative AI does just that. Fractal's AI models are trained on massive datasets, enabling them to generate high-quality, relevant content. Think of a music app that doesn't just recommend songs, but creates a brand new track just for you. Designers can get thousands of logo ideas in seconds. Writers can overcome blocks with AI-generated plot twists. For centuries, creativity was uniquely human. Now, AI is our creative partner, amplifying what we can achieve. Fractal is at the forefront, building AI that collaborates with humans to push creative boundaries. It's not about replacing us. It's about giving us new tools to express ideas and solve problems. Generative AI is revolutionizing creativity, making the impossible possible. Let's see how this power is changing what we can create. Next up, hyper-realistic visuals, Fractal's second pillar. We're talking digital images and environments so lifelike, you can't tell them from reality. Fractal combines generative AI with advanced graphics to create virtual worlds that feel real. Walk through ancient Rome or explore Mars, all from your living room. Their tech renders these worlds in real time, making experiences truly immersive. One standout: digital humans. Virtual avatars that look, speak, and emote like real people. Imagine a digital news anchor delivering updates in any language, or a virtual customer service agent always ready to help. Surgeons can practice on hyper-realistic digital organs. Architects can walk clients through virtual buildings before construction begins. These digital twins reduce risk, save time, and improve outcomes across industries. Hyper-realism isn't just eye candy. It's a tool for professionals to innovate and excel. Fractal is redefining what's possible in the digital world. Let's see how Fractal's tech is transforming healthcare. Doctors in remote areas can consult global specialists using 3D digital twins of patient scans, breaking down barriers to world-class care. Fractal's AI accelerates drug discovery by analyzing massive datasets and generating new treatment ideas, speeding up research for diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Medical students train on hyper-realistic simulators, practicing surgeries in safe, virtual environments until they master every step. AI-powered digital therapists offer support for mental health, while smart systems monitor patients at home, ensuring timely care. This isn't about replacing doctors, it's about empowering them with better tools. Fractal's innovations are making healthcare more accessible, efficient, and personalized. The future of medicine is digital, and it's saving lives today. Now let's talk education, an area ripe for transformation. Imagine history lessons where you walk through virtual Mohenjo-daro or science classes with safe, interactive labs. Fractal's AI creates personalized learning paths, adapting to each student's strengths and weaknesses. Struggling with physics? The AI generates custom problems and explanations, ensuring no one is left behind. Students can experiment, create, and collaborate with AI, writing stories, composing music, or designing virtual buildings. This technology removes barriers, making world-class education accessible to all, regardless of location or resources. It fosters creativity, problem-solving, and prepares students for the future job market. Fractal is turning learning into an interactive, creative adventure. The classroom of tomorrow is here, and it's limitless. Entertainment is being reinvented by Fractal's technology. Filmmakers can now create epic battle scenes or digital actors in minutes, not months, bringing their wildest visions to life. Interactive movies let viewers shape the story, making each experience unique. In gaming, AI generates dynamic worlds and quests, so every playthrough feels fresh and alive. Hyper-realistic graphics immerse players in breathtaking environments, from fantasy kingdoms to high-speed racetracks. Live events are transformed. Attend concerts or tour Paris virtually, feeling like you're truly there. Fractal's tech democratizes experiences, making world-class entertainment accessible to everyone. It's not just about fun. It's about creating new ways to connect and explore. The future of entertainment is personal, immersive, and boundless. Fractal is making imagination reality. Fractal's technology isn't just changing industries, it's driving progress everywhere. Businesses use AI and simulations to design products, test ideas, and save time and money. Fashion brands create new designs and showcase them with virtual models. Furniture companies let you preview sofas in your home with AR. Urban planners design smarter cities. Scientists model climate change, and entrepreneurs turn ideas into reality faster than ever. This tech empowers people, doctors, teachers, artists, and innovators to do more with less. By automating routine tasks, it frees us to focus on creativity and problem solving. The future of work is humans and machines collaborating, not competing. Fractal is building the tools for this new era of partnership. Progress has never been more accessible. What does this mean for India? Everything. With our young, tech-savvy population and immense talent pool, India is set to lead this revolution. Fractal is investing in India as a hub for innovation, not just a market. AI-powered tools can bridge gaps in healthcare and education, bringing quality services to every corner of the country. Bollywood can create world-class visual effects. IT and manufacturing can leap ahead with digital twins and generative AI. This technology is an equalizer, offering opportunities for millions. It's a call to action for India's youth. Learn, experiment, and build the future. The revolution is happening here, right now. India has the talent, drive, and now the technology. Let's seize this moment and shape the future together. We've explored Fractal Industries' world, from AI creativity to hyper-realistic visuals transforming every aspect of life. The goal is simple: make human life better. This technology can cure diseases, educate all, and connect us in new ways, but it must be used responsibly and ethically. The story of Fractal is one of optimism and human ingenuity. By working together, we can build a healthier, smarter, and more joyful world. Let's embrace change with excitement, not fear, and be active participants in shaping our future. The next chapter is being written now. Let's make it extraordinary. Thank you for joining me. Jai Hind.